Nothing Phone 3 is going to change everything in the smartphone industry. The tech world has been buzzing, leaks have been heating up, and fans have been waiting for a true flagship experience from this bold new brand. Now, it's finally happening. July 2025 will be the moment when Nothing steps up and shows the world what it's really capable of. But what exactly Nothing is cooking, and why is this launch so important? Let's find out. Before we dive in, please like and subscribe our channel. That would mean a lot to us. Now, after months of teasers, rumors, and hints from the company's top executives, Nothing has officially confirmed that its next major device, the Nothing Phone 3, will be unveiled in July 2025. And this time, it's not just another phone, it's being described as the company's first true flagship. Carl Pei, the founder and CEO, has made it clear that this device is built to compete at the highest level. We're talking about major upgrades in performance, premium design, and a software experience that's expected to go far beyond anything we've seen from Nothing so far. What's exciting is how confident the brand sounds.
Design is how we bring that philosophy to life. It's not just how our products look, it's how they feel to use, and how they help you feel more focused and creative. Everything that makes Nothing feel like nothing. And we're only just getting started. Phone 3 is coming this summer, and we're going all in. Premium materials, major performance upgrades, and software that really levels things up. It's our first true flagship smartphone. And since you're here, a little early clue on the price. It'll land somewhere around 800 pounds.
Carl Pei didn't just say this will be a good phone. He said it will be the biggest leap Nothing has made since it entered the market. And if that's not enough to get your attention, here's something else. There's a good chance the Phone 3 will be powered by a flagship-grade latest Snapdragon chip or a top-tier MediaTek Dimensity processor. That means it could go head-to-head with the OnePlus 13, Xiaomi 15, and Vivo X200 series, Samsung S25 Ultra, and iPhone 16 series. But it's not just about performance. The Phone 3 is expected to feature a premium build, something that screams high-end from the moment you hold it. For a brand that's already known for its bold and unique design language, this could be a major step up in terms of quality and feel. And with software playing a key role in today's flagship phones, Nothing is hinting at a much smarter, smoother, and possibly AI-powered experience that adds real value, not just gimmicks. Now, let's talk about price. This won't be a budget phone. In fact, Carl Pei mentioned that the Phone 3 will likely start at around 800 pounds, which is roughly 90,000 rupees in India and $1,000 in USA. That puts it in flagship territory, and that also means expectations are going to be sky high. But this price point also tells us something else. Nothing isn't holding back anymore. They're aiming to compete with the biggest names in the industry, and they want this phone to be taken seriously. Interestingly, the Phone 3 was initially expected to launch in 2024, but Nothing decided to wait. That delay might have given them time to refine the hardware, improve the software, and possibly even add advanced AI features, something that's becoming more important in high-end smartphones. The extra time could be the key to delivering a truly complete package, but that's not all. Alongside the Phone 3, Nothing is preparing to launch its first pair of over-ear headphones. These will aim to deliver high-end sound at a price point that undercuts premium options like Apple's AirPod Max. So while the phone grabs the spotlight, the company is quietly building an ecosystem, one that could offer users a lot more value without pushing them into overly expensive territory, similar to what Apple has done with its Apple products. July 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changing moment for Nothing. The hype is real. The competition is fierce. And for the first time, it feels like Nothing is ready to go all in. If they get this right, the Phone 3 could redefine how we see this brand, not just as a disruptor, but as a serious flagship player. What do you think about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.